Microsoft just fired their biggest shot in the AI agent wars, and it is going to completely change how massive companies operate. What you are looking at is the brand new Microsoft 365 Copilot Agent Builder inside Copilot Studio. They have officially made building custom enterprise-grade AI agents as easy as writing a text message. I am building an HR agent right now called Policy Pro. Instead of hiring developers to code a custom chatbot, I am literally just describing what I want the agent to do in plain English. Watch how fast this adapts. I'm telling the Copilot Studio exactly how to behave. I want it to answer questions about company guidelines, emphasize our work policy on parental leave, and most importantly, I am setting strict guardrails. Avoid asking for sensitive information. The system instantly updates the agent's behavior on the right side of the screen. I can even pop open the configuration tab, change the icon, and give it a custom brand identity. You are acting as a manager training a new digital employee entirely through natural language. Now let's test it. I ask it, what are the guidelines for parental leave? And boom, it instantly retrieves the exact eligibility, duration, and notification protocols. This isn't hallucinating, it is securely referencing internal logic. Once it's ready, I click Create and Microsoft handles the entire back-end deployment. In the past, rolling out a secure, compliant HR bot would take an IT department 6 months and a six-figure budget. Today, I just copied a link. The agent is instantly live in Microsoft BizChat, ready to be shared with anyone in my organization with strict 365 tenant boundary protections. It is absolutely seamless. Look at the depth of this response. It breaks down eligibility, duration, and job protection into perfectly formatted bullet points, turning complex HR jargon into an easy answer for your employees. Once you're happy with how it thinks, you just go to the top right and hit Create. The system compiles the agent and instantly generates a secure link. From here, I can click Change Sharing Settings to strictly lock this down to anyone in your organization, ensuring zero proprietary data leaks out to the public. I hit Save, copy the link, and click Go to Agent. We are instantly dropped into the full Microsoft BizChat interface. But let me pause right here and give you a massive reality check. Knowing how to click these buttons means nothing if you don't know how to turn these skills into a profitable business. That is exactly why I built the AI Money Forge. We just crossed 170 members, and the community is growing faster than I ever imagined. The builders in here are absolutely crushing it. Inside, I am handing you my private, battle-tested agency blueprints and the exact automation workflows you need to scale. If I package these strategies into a standard masterclass, it would easily be valued at over $999. But right now, you get the keys to the entire kingdom. Do not sit on the sidelines while this wealth transfer happens. Click the link in the description, join the Forge right now, and let's start building your empire. Alright, let's take this to the next level. I am building a second agent, a field service agent designed to help on-site technicians troubleshoot hardware. But an agent is only as smart as its data. So, watch what I do here. Under the Knowledge tab, I am linking this agent directly to our internal SharePoint site. This is Enterprise-grade Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG. The agent is now ingesting our private product catalogs, repair tickets, and safety compliance manuals. When a technician in the field types, I received an error code E-1023, the agent doesn't guess. It pulls the exact step-by-step PDF manual from our secure SharePoint and guides them through the repair in real time. You just scaled your top engineer's brain to your entire workforce. To finish it off, I just update the custom brand icon and hit Save. Then we click Create. Microsoft takes that massive SharePoint database and securely compiles the agent right in the background. Boom, it's done. The agent is successfully deployed and instantly inherits your organization's strict security permissions. You now have a highly specialized data-backed assistant ready to be shared with your entire field team. When we look at the head-to-head matrix, the dividing line becomes very clear. It all comes down to data and privacy. Microsoft Copilot offers enterprise trust. Your data never leaves the Microsoft 365 boundary, ensuring strict SOC 2 and HIPAA compliance. It is the safe play for Fortune 500 companies, but OpenClaw offers absolute sovereignty. Because it runs on your local hardware or a private Docker container, it provides a zero-trust architecture. There are no hidden API calls. Your data never touches a corporate server unless you tell it to. If you want a plug-and-play system tied to Teams and Word, you buy Copilot. But if you want absolute control, custom Python skills, and edge performance, you build with OpenClaw. The AI landscape is splitting in two. If you want to learn how to dominate both sides of this industry, hit the link below and get inside the AI Money Forge. Drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.